Hello guys, today we will discuss about the top 5 niches activity logbook, which was is the earning potential of the $1,000 per month. You can easily earn up to this type of the amount. You should give so much less time around in particular one day. Only for 1 to 2 hours if you spend on this the niche, you will be definitely earn something about $1,000 per month easily on this the particular niche. So today we will discuss about the top 5 niches, which was is the very potential niches, which was is the earning very much amount of the earn potential niche. So we will discuss about the which type of the niche you will be select and what is the expense, what is the earning potential ratio of this type of the top 5 niches, which was the activity logbook. So without we are wasting time, we should start discussing about today's videos. So please check out my all the videos, like, share and subscribe before the we go to the going to there. So we go to the Amazons and we check out the how to earn potential of this type of the niche. So we go to the Amazons and we first of all with this type of we see logbook for the diabetes of the first niche, which is the logbook for the diabetes. So you see different potential book are available on this book on this particular this niche. You see different so many types of the book are available. So first of all, this is the blood sugar logbooks. Then after so many types of the books, but different also in particular diabetes topics. So you will be niche blood sugar logbooks of 2-year weekly diabetes glucose monitoring logbook journals. You see 83 reviews are available in this. This book is a lifespan one touch glucose logbooks. 3 books, 1086 rating are there coming for these books. You see so many types of the books, different format and different covers are available in this particular in these books. You see different so many types of the books are available. So you check out the books on Amazon and you will be create very effectively of this type particular work on this niche, and you will be earn up to $1,000 per month easily with spending on only 1 hour to 2 hours in particular one day. You will be easily created this type of the books without so much hard work. You will be see so much potential of this niche, and different logbook are also created and different sellers on the Amazons. You see different so many types of the book are available. So we go to the different second niche, which was is the book logbook for the business. You know each and every persons which was is the doing business in your life. They are the starting your business and they are the expanding your business. They are the tie up with the all the type of the business which was is the expanding and you start the business. So this type of the niche also trending. You know about so many types of in the business, so many types of the expense and also the write down so many things which was is the useful in the write down. So this niche is a very trending and potential of this niche is a very high. You check out the all the books and you see so many potential of this niche. You see the many books are the rating which was is the getting around 1,000 plus rating on particular one book. So you see the potential of this type of the niche very high, and you will be easily created this type of the books very short times. You see if you spending 1 to 2 hours per day, you will be easily created this type of the books, and you will be published on the Amazon KDP, and you will be earn money from them. So you will be easily created this type of the work on this type of the niche, and you will be created so much amount of the money from this type of the book. So you will be easily earn up to $1,000 per month from the logbook for the business. You will be see so many types of the books are available, and you check out all the books and you will be created these books easily, and you will be earn up to $1,000 per month. So please go to the Amazon and you will be check out all the books. You will be easily ideas about how to create these books and what we should do for this type of the books, what is the requirement of this type of the books. You will be easily earn up to $1,000 per month. So without your wasting time, please like, share and subscribe. We go to the third niche of this the logbook, which was is the logbook for the tracker. You know tracker is the mileage books, petrol books, and you will be also know about how much petrol will be filled, fuel maintenance, car maintenance, trackers, logbook for trackers in different like how much where our whatever goods we will fill in the truck, pick up and drop out the menu, how much time they will be reach out their particular destination stations, what is the kilometer are available for the two different stations, and different so many things which was is the required for the logbook for the truckers. You will be know locations as well as the types of the goods. It is the solid, liquid, and any another form of the whatever goods. You know about this type of the books is also trending, and if you created this type of the books in one time, you will be earn up to your lifetime earning potential of this type of the niche. You will be easily work on these books, and you will be easily created this type of books. So I request to you, please work on this type of the niche. You will be easily earn up to $1,000 per month, and you will be financially free from this books will be, if you create it, you will be easily financial free and you will be earn up to $1,000 per month. So we go to the fourth niche, which was is the very trending and very useful. If you know, logbook for the password today is the, we are the digital agent. Each and every person in the different account like Amazon, Gmail, Google, and like Facebook, Instagram, each and everywhere the different login ID, different password and different username, all the things. So we what is the, we will, if we are the remaining all the passwords and user ID and password, very difficult task for me also, all over the people which was is the using this type of the digital era. We are the living in the digital era. So each and every person is the different login ID, different password, different username, all the thing different. So what happened, we are the forget different every time of user ID and password. So what is the, this book is useful. You will be create any user ID and along with the password of this particular website or user ID. So you will be write down in particular these books and you will be easily remember this what is the user ID and what is the password of particular website and all the things. So please check out all the books and you will be create this type of the books which was is a very potential niche, and this type of the niche which was in the future is the very demanding. So please create this type of the books and you will be easily up to $1,000 per month, and you will be easily work on this type of the niche is the not hard work. You will be easily created spending of the 2 to 3 hours per day. If this type of the books also will be created easily and you will be published on the Amazon KDP. So without your wasting time, we go to the fifth niche which was is the logbook for the work. You know, we all are the peoples which was is the all day work with the different niche. So we also some people are doing business, some people are doing the jobs, some people are doing the some work. So all are the people which was is the work without work which was is the different stream like a job, business, and another thing which was so many people are doing. Each and every person are the in entire day the different work. So this type of the logbook is also the potential of the earning is the very high, and you will be earn up to $1,000 per month easily getting this type of the books. If you created this type of the books, you will be easily earn up to $1,000 per month. So please check out these books and you will be research about this niche and you will be easily earn up to $1,000 per month. So you will, I should some suggestion, you will be create some the niche where you with top 5 niche which was is the suggestion to you. Please create on this niche, work out the about this niche, and you will be easily earn up to $1,000 per month for entire your life. So please check out all the videos, like, share, and subscribe. Please check out all the videos, and I will suggest to you this how much amount, how to earn money online, and you will be financially free, and you will be escape your 9 to 5 jobs. So please check out all my videos. I will every day I upload to different niche, different ideas, how to earn money online, Amazon KDPs, and different niche. We will upload the different videos on the daily basis. So please check out all the videos and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you friends, which was doing my you will be see entire video.